Ever wondered how businesses reach you online? How does that pair of shoes you once glanced at keep popping up on every website you visit? Or how does your favorite coffee shop always know when you're in the mood for a latte? Well, it's all thanks to a little thing called digital marketing. Digital marketing, in its simplest form, is the use of the internet and digital technologies to promote products or services. It's like traditional marketing, but instead of billboards on the highway, businesses use digital channels like search engines, social media, email, and websites to connect with their current and prospective customers. So why does digital marketing matter? Well, consider this. Virtually everyone is online these days. With just a few clicks or taps, you can order your groceries, book a vacation, or even find your soulmate. This constant connectivity provides businesses with numerous opportunities to reach their target audience wherever they are and whenever they want. One of the key aspects of digital marketing is its ability to target specific demographics. Businesses can use information like your age, location, interests, and online behavior to tailor their marketing messages to you. That's why you might see ads for the latest action movie if you're a fan of thrillers, or promotions for a new restaurant if you're a foodie. Digital marketing also allows for real-time interaction. Unlike traditional marketing, where you might have to wait days or even weeks for a response, digital marketing offers instant communication. Businesses can respond to customer queries, get feedback, or even handle complaints in real time, creating a more personalized and efficient customer experience. Another key point about digital marketing is its cost effectiveness. Traditional marketing methods like print ads or TV commercials can be expensive, and there's no guarantee they'll reach your target audience. But with digital marketing, businesses can reach a larger audience at a lower cost. Plus, they can track and analyze their marketing efforts in real time, allowing them to adjust their strategies for maximum impact. Finally, digital marketing is adaptable. The digital landscape is constantly changing, with new platforms and technologies emerging all the time. But rather than being a challenge, this dynamism is an opportunity. Businesses can test different strategies, adapt their marketing plans to keep up with trends, and always stay one step ahead of the competition. In summary, digital marketing is an essential tool for businesses in the 21st century. It's targeted, interactive, cost-effective, and adaptable. It enables businesses to reach their audience in the digital spaces they inhabit, providing personalized experiences and real-time engagement. And as technology continues to evolve, digital marketing will only become more innovative, more dynamic, and more essential. So, the next time you see that pair of shoes pop up on your screen, remember, it's not magic, it's digital marketing.